Alright, so let's go ahead and do a few more. Okay, so we've got one iodine here, two here. Let's put a 2 in front, and so we've got two hydrogens, two iodine. Easy. Okay, now let's have a look at this. Now we've got 2 oxygens and 3 oxygens. So again, we need to go 3 and 2, because that gives us 6. 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6. So now, how many aluminiums we've got? 2 times 2 is 4. And that's as best we can do with that one. Okay, next one here. This is an easy one, isn't it? So we've got potassium 1, potassium 2. How easy was that one? Alright, so we've got 1 lithium and 2 chlorines. So we're going to have to put a 2 here. And now we're going to have to go ahead and put a 2 here as well, because we've not only got 2 chlorines, we've also got 2 lithiums. Okay, so 2 oxygens here, 1 oxygen, so 2, and now we need 2 mercury. Okay, we've got 3 iodine here and 2 here, so again we have to do our 3 and our 2. So 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6, so that's balanced. Now 2 aluminium, 2 aluminium. Okay, so now we've got 1 sulfur and 3 sulfurs, so we need to go 3, and 1 aluminium and 2 aluminium, we need to put a 2. Okay, sodium and 1 sodium. This is a little bit tricky. When we have the hydroxide ions, it's a little bit trickier. We're not going to be too worried about it, because here we've got 2 hydrogen plus another hydrogen, so that means we've got 3 hydrogens and only 2 hydrogens on this side. So let me see, if I go put a 2 here, that means now we've got 4 hydrogens, and if I put a 2 here, 4 hydrogen. Now we've got 2 oxygen, 2 sodium. Now we just need to put a 2 there. Okay, so that was a bit tricky, wasn't it? But that's the way you do it. You need to start, in this case, by balancing your number of hydrogens. Okay, what have we got here? We've got 3 oxygens on this side and 2 on this side. So, again, we don't like these odd numbers. So if I put a 2 here, now we've got 4 oxygen on this side, and if I put a 2 here, we've got 4 oxygen on this side. And we've done it, haven't we? So 2 nitrogen and 2 nitrogen, 4 oxygen, 4 oxygen. Getting a little bit harder. So 2 sodium, 1 sodium. So I'm thinking I'm going to put a 2 here. Yeah, I will, because I'm putting that 2 there, because now let's have a look at our hydrogens. 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, 1, 2 oxygen. There we go, and that's balanced. Okay, CH4, which is methane, burning methane and oxygen gives you carbon dioxide and water. It's complete combustion. Now we've got 4 hydrogens here, only 2 here. So if I put a 2 here, that means we've got 4 hydrogen and 4 hydrogen. Now, how many oxygen have we got here? 2 and 2, that's 4. So if I put a 2 here, now we've got 4 oxygen on that side as well. Okay, lead oxide, PbO, and we've got 1 oxygen here and 2 oxygen here. So if I put a 2 here, we've balanced the number of oxygen. But now, of course, we haven't balanced our lead. So let's put a 2 here, and now we've balanced our lead as well. C, so carbon plus oxygen gives you carbon monoxide. Okay, so we've got 2 oxygen here, 1 here. So let's put a 2 here. And now we've got 2 oxygen and 2 carbon, put a 2 here and we're done. Last one. Okay, we've got 3 oxygen on this side. So if I put a 2 here, and a 2 here. So that means 2 and 2 is 4 oxygen. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 carbon and 2 carbon. There you go.